So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 13th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've saw this very strong run here on the US dollar against Japanese yen. Broke beyond the 12.15 and also 12.52. We've gone on to test the 12.76, from which we are having a brief pullback here at the moment. So if we do see this pullback from this 12.77, we're looking to see whether 12.52 does hold for support. Failing that, we're then looking for price here down towards this 12.15, and if volatility allows to the downside, possibly move down towards that 11.60 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We've gone on a strong run. We've now had a pullback in some time, so if we do see a bit of a pullback, it isn't too much of a concern. It could still see us in alignment with the overall trend, which is clearly to the upside more recently here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do find support possibly at that 12.52 or that 12.15, we're looking for a retest of 12.77, successful break from which, looking for a move up towards that 13.04, beyond 13.04. I would expect the far end of range to be in around 13.56 and beyond the 13.56. So even though I don't anticipate it coming to focus here on Friday the 13th, we do have a key, very key, important level of that 114.30 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Now we've mentioned the levels at both the downside and the upside here. Let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up. So here on this daily chart of US dollar Japanese yen, we can see here we've had the overall trend which has been to the upside. We've had a series of higher lows, brief pullbacks, posted higher lows. We've had this breakout of the 400 period moving average, strong breakout to test 12.15, strong momentum closing. We've seen prices closing near their highs. Suggesting very, very strong bullish buy side momentum. And as we come into Friday again, we've seen that very strong bullish buy side momentum, currently testing at 12.77. So even if we do see a bit of a pullback from where we are at present, overall the trend is still to the upside. And after having this breakout and strong volatility, I suppose the bulls will get exhausted at some point, from which we might see a retracement before seeing realignment and continuation to the upside. Overall, we did mention the very next level that we are looking at. The very next major level of note is, of course, the 13.56, but we also have to be aware of the 13.04 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.